USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against yen. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share, and below the video you'll find some links. You can join free Telegram and get the robot to print money on autopilot if you want, or you can book consultation with me if you want to talk to me. Coming back to the chart, starting the top and approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, what we have? We have engulfing short candle, bearish candle. So we are going down. What is there to see? This is rejected. Okay, a resistance is rejected, engulfing massive bear candle. Coming back to daily here. Daily we have the rejection candle. You see massive rejections. So USDJPY going down. 4 hour is what? 4 hour, I have the zones drawn. If the price breaks below my zone with momentum, we will carry on going down. So overall, weekly and daily confirms the momentum is very, very bearish right now. And rest you know if you're smart. So subscribe, like and share. Join free Telegram as you can see and get the robot if you want to print money by doing nothing. Book consultation. I'll see you in my next video. So then take care.